fourth calculation step is Optimise Components. In this step, all of the pressure drops in the system will be taken into account, the pumps will be sized, and the system will be balanced hydraulically. If I run this calculation step, and it's slightly longer because it iteratively calculates the commissioning presets of all the valves in order to balance our system. But you can see now that if you hover over any pump, it shows you the path of greatest resistance. In this case, running from the buffer tank up to this end unit. You can also select a pump, and you will see that this pump has been sized. It needs to have a head of 3.3 meters, and the optimal pump curve has been selected. This is, of course, a constant head pump curve. You can select different types, constant speed or proportional head for your curve. Once you've got this, you can, of course, then go to your pump manufacturer and say, what's the closest pump to this that you have? If you are working on an existing installation and you have a pump that's installed, you can, of course, just override these points and create your own curve in the software. You will see here that all of the valves have been balanced, and that you can also see, if you press Ctrl K, you can also get an indication for the pressure drops across each component in your installation.